Pepe token is getting ready for a massive pump. Here's everything you need to know and why you should absolutely buy some Pepe token right now. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a deep dive on everyone's favorite meme coin, Pepe token, which has some crazy critical things coming up and some reasons why you absolutely need to load up now. But like always, guys, before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. And also, before we continue this video, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. The overall market's doing absolutely insane, guys. We're seeing pump in the market, up 62% in terms of volume. Fear and greed index at a 63. BlackRock bought 11,000 bitcoins this week. The Bitcoin at $68,000. Trump reigniting investor optimism. It is absolutely a great time to be a crypto investor, especially with Donald Trump being at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville saying never sell your Bitcoin. What a time to be alive. We're seeing and anticipating some massive pumps to come along the way. $67,000 Bitcoin, $3,300 Ethereum. Some bullish news is ahead. We go ahead and take a look at the top meme coins, guys, and Pepe is still holding a top 3%. Basically at a $5 billion market cap, up 1% on the 24-hour, down on the hour, and down on the week. So we're anticipating this next week to be absolutely green. If we're seeing a pretty red week this week, which is across the board is pretty much red, we're anticipating next week and the weeks to follow are going to be absolutely bullish for meme coins, and that's why you need to load up on Pepe. We go to the trending tab, guys, and Pepe is trending in at number 3, which is great to see. And the month we see a whopping 3% gain, and we could expect way more for Pepe, at least a 15-20%, maybe even 30% gain, and that's exactly why you want to load up on some Pepe. We take a look at the charts, guys. We see the 1 day we're up 1%, the week we're down about 1%, the month we're up 3%, and the year we're up a whopping 700%. However, there's some distance from its previous all-time highs, and we anticipate Pepe is going to run and create another all-time high, so you absolutely need to load up now, as time is of essence. We see here the most popular coins of the day on CoinMarketCap, and Pepe being in at number 3. That is pretty bullish from the crypto club on CoinMarketCap. And again, just look at the chart, guys. We've seen a beautiful formation. We saw a solid dip and run up, which again, we've seen this happen before. It's exactly textbook behavior, and then a crazy pump. Same thing, dumped, pumping up a bit, and then a dip right here. Same thing, dipping over here. We anticipate it's going to pump a little bit, dip, pump a little bit more, and then just absolutely skyrocket. So now will be the greatest indicator to buy. Talking about indicators, we're taking a look at the technical analysis. Also, our neutral moving averages are strong buy, indicating a summary of buy. I'm telling you guys, in the weeks to come, it's going to be a strong buy. You're going to absolutely regret if you don't buy now. But again, none of this is financial advice. Talking about buying now, guys, here's another project you absolutely have to buy now. If you love Pepe, you're going to absolutely love this project. This is Pepe Unchained Layer 2. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during our pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Rewards being 307% AP. Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better games, same delicious Pepe flavor. And in 1 day and 15 hours, they're raising their price. So now is your time to buy at the absolute lowest price. This project has raised already $6.2 million in the pre-sale loan, and we're anticipating to do another 3x from here. So absolutely load up now. Link in the description below. We talked about Pepe Chain so many times. You absolutely want to load up. But going back to Pepe getting a lot of bullish headlines as people are saying, here's your time to strike. Here's trading opportunity that you shouldn't miss with Pepe. Imminent bullish breakout for Pepe. Pepe price break, a key barrier. So again, people are getting very bullish. We can see the articles, Pepe price predictions. Here's a trade opportunity you shouldn't miss. Pepe has a bullish structure, but momentum and buy pressure have been warned considerably. The liquidity levels data shows that the bearish trends could take over soon. But again, obviously, we need to see a pullback to see a pull up like we're seeing the chart earlier, so that's pretty bullish. Imminent bullish breakout for Roblox, Pepe, and Dog with Hat. Pepe has experienced a stellar price performance since its launch, and a little more than a year ago, backed by almost 2 decades of meme culture. Pepe has the potential to become the top meme coin this cycle, and that's absolutely true. If it was to go on to flip Shiba Inu as well as if it flips Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, it's gonna be absolutely massive, and anyone who loads up on Pepe is going to be absolutely happy, making an absolute solid bag. There's so many bullish things going on with the crypto market right now, guys, especially the biggest being Trump being a solid advocate supporter for crypto, and with Pepe being at a low price and hasn't been pumping quite of late, we're anticipating to see a crazy pump, so it indicates a great time to buy now. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.